is me again, Princess Casey Cisalda, your future educator. And today's vlog will explore some exciting and effective learning strategies that make our classes more engaging and inclusive. These include learning presentations, panel of experts, the KWL-KWHLAQ chart, brainstorming, and problem-based learning. These strategies come from the concept of differentiated instruction, which simply means adjusting how we teach to match our learners' unique needs, interests, and learning style. So now let's start with the learning presentations. Learning presentation allows students to show what they've learned through oral, visual, or even digital forms. I will show you a video for my example.
So this is an example of oral and visual presentation, and this one is the digital form presentation.
So this strategy is great because it builds confidence and communication skills, lets visual and verbal learners shine, and helps students retain information better by teaching it to others. In short, learner presentations are not just for showing knowledge. They help you truly understand and express. Next, we have the panel of experts. In this setup, some students or even guest speakers act as expert on a topic. They sit in a panel and answer questions from their classmates or the teacher. This technique promotes active participation and critical thinking, confidence in public speaking, and a chance to explore different perspectives on one issue. For example, in a history class, students can take rules as historical figures. Some examples. Next, let's talk about the KWL-KWHLAQ chart. You might be familiar with the first part. K means what I know. W means what I want to know. And L means what I learned. But in extended version, K as know, W want, H how to learn, L learned, A action, what will I do with what I learned. Q is questions, or what more do I want to explore. This chart helps students organize their thoughts and reflect on their learning journey. It builds metacognition, which means being aware of how you learn, and encourages students to take charge of their learning process. Moving on to brainstorming. This is one of the most exciting classroom activities. Brainstorming sessions allow everyone to share ideas freely without fear of being wrong. It's perfect for developing creativity, teamwork, and also problem-solving skills. Imagine you're tasked to create a school campaign about environmental protection. During brainstorming, everyone contributes ideas, no matter how simple or wild they sound. Finally, let's talk about the fifth one. The fifth one is the problem-based learning. This strategy presents real-life problems that students must research and solve. It's not just about memorizing facts. It's all about applying what you've learned. Problem-based learning helps develop critical thinking, research skills, and collaboration. For an instance, student might be challenged to design a solution for water waste in their community. By investigating, proposing solution, and presenting their findings, they're not just learning, they're preparing for a real-world challenge. To wrap it up, these strategies, presentations, panel of experts, KWL-KWHLAQ chart, brainstorming, and problem-based learning are all part of differentiated instruction. They make learning active, flexible, and inclusive, helping every learner succeed in their own way. Remember, Education isn't just about memorizing, it's all about experiencing, questioning, and discovering together. That's all for today's vlog. I hope you'll learn from my videos. God bless you. Bye-bye.